Hi! Today we are going to create 2 TikToks. This is what I have done.
I'm just going to let it be known that I look nothing like this.
And neither do I, as you can see right here.
I'm trying this again.
The first one is a stitch, which means that I use my own or someone else TikTok video and then add on my own to this one. The second one is a duet, and this time I did a duet with my friend Shelly Saves the Day. Both of these are really easy to create. So let's start with the stitched one.
I'm just going to let it be known that I look nothing like this.
So here I have found a video I want to stitch myself to. I click on the little arrow in the bottom right, and if this video allows for stitching, you can find that at the bottom where it says Stitch. And I click that little button and it will prepare the video for me to stitch onto. I can now set the length that I want to use to stitch and hit next. And then I start filming my own part. In this case I used a beauty filter and then a natural filter in 2 different segments. It now replays what I have done, and when I'm happy with it I click the little check mark and I can watch it again and then hit next to finalize the video, as you can see here. I fill out the video information and hit post. And now let's take a look at how to create a duet. So here I am at Shelly Saves the Day's videos, and when I have found the one I want, I click on that little arrow again and choose duet. Just as with stitches, it shows duet at the bottom if this video allows for duetting. I hit the record button, and in this case it was nothing to be said, so when the results pop up I just stop recording. Now I just have to click next and fill out the information about my video and hit post. I hope this inspired you to continue creating your own TikToks. Hej då!